is because the trigonometric language, no, I'm sorry, is because the trigonometric function in many programming language, include C++, Arduino language, use angle input to radians, not degrees. Therefore, when working with trigonometric function, such as sin and cos, the angle for you must be in radian. So, this is the formula. Radian is equal to angle times P divide 180. Angle here, we can determine from the robot point. Here the point for the first wheel is 0. This, this is the first wheel is point 0. So we can feel the angle is P1 is 0. Then for the second wheel and the third wheel, we can add 1020 degrees H. So the second wheel is, the first wheel is 0, the second wheel is 120 degrees, and the third wheel is 214 degrees. So the result of the conversion will be set to the respective radians of V1, V2, and V3. Okay. Next, we can see if we want to make the robot go forward. Sorry. Okay. Sini balik. We can see if we want to make the robot go forward to enter this number. Wait. This is a program. We can see. If we want to make the robot go forward to enter this number, this strike kinematic 1322 for x. This is for x. Okay. This is for x, and this is 7053 for y, and this angle is 0. When process to constant integral, wait, okay, when progress to constant integral v1 equal in radian v1 times x is 1302 for x plus cos radian angle v1 times y is 753 plus angle is 0 divide wheels radian is 6.0. This it is radian wheel 6.1. So the result will make the robot move forward. Okay, let's see. Okay. You can see the robot is forward. The wheel is stopped. The second and the third wheel is run forward. Robot. The robot is forward. Okay. Okay. This. The next.
Back to me, Amy Arona Ginting. I will explain the sensor detect object with STEM approach, science, technology, engineering, and math. And the first section is science section. It's talk about ultrasonic sensor that work by emitting ultrasonic waves to the target object. And these waves are reflected back by the object and captured by the receiving sensor. And by measuring the round trip travel time of the ultrasonic waves, the sensor can calculate the distance to the object based on the wave propagation speed. Okay, next, technology and engineering section. In technology section, this we assembly the electronic component of sensor and microcontroller. It's like in ultrasonic sensor that has two pin echo and trigger. And the echo and trigger of two sensor ultrasonic on the robot, we assembly to microcontroller on the pin of microcontroller. And the engineering section, it's talk about ultrasonic program. So the ultrasonic program, the first step is we define the pin of the ultrasonic sensor with pin that we want to use in microcontroller. Like, yes, define trigger in pin 1, we set in pin 2 analog pin on microcontroller and continue with the pin that we set. And next is void setup. Void setup is a part of program that will run by once only. It talk about serial begin. It's like communication, the data transfer and communication, computer and the Arduino. And here in void setup, it's talk about pin mode. Pin mode, like we set the input of output of the echo and trigger. Next, void loop. Void loop, we talk about the part of the Arduino that will run repeatedly. Not like void setup. Void setup is a part of Arduino will run once only, and the void loop will run by repeatedly. This in void loop we includes by sensor 1, sensor 2, and sensor 3. In here we set and we define the pin of echo and trigger, like we set in high or low. And last, we check for obstacle. In here we set in 20 or 30 the distance of the ultrasonic sensor to the object is. Okay, next, check for obstacle. In here, we set the distance less than 20 from the ultrasonic to the object. And if sensor ultrasonic detect the object at that distance, the buzzer will make a sound. Next, it's math section. Okay, in math section, the ultrasonic talk about the how to calculate distance to the object. In here, using simple mathematical equation. So the simple mathematical equation is distance equal to speed multiplied travel time. The propagation speed of ultrasonic waves depends on the medium in which they travel. For example, about 343 meter per second in air. It is this principle that ultrasonic sensor used to detect and calculate the distance to surrounding the object. The conclusion of this math section, is talk about how to calculate the distance from the ultrasonic sensor to the object.
Okay. The next chapter about expression of omnibus wheels of okay. The next chapter, expression of omnibus wheel movement. The signs. You can see the picture. This is omni wheel. Yeah. The subject. The first is at the sign. The omnibus robot can move in any direction by utilizing the movement of force on its wheel. The right and left wheels generate equal but opposite movement of force for back and forth, and difficult about of force on the front and right or left wheel for any. Next technology, the omnibus has a structure of the omnibus has a structure of a main wheel in the middle and small wheel on the side that allow multi-directional movement by utilizing the difference in rotation speed of the main wheel and small wheels to go forward, backward, sideways, turn and rotate. Next, engineering. This is by applying engineering principles such as changing the proportion, shape, and wheel control of the omnibus. The, the resulting robotic motion can be more complex and creative. This can be next engineering by applying engineering principles such as changing the proportion, shape, and wheel control of the omnibus. The resulting robotic motion can be more complex and creative. This can be utilized to create toys or tools that have unique and efficient movements for various needs such as explorer robots or explorer robots or delivery tools in high space. Is mathematics the last? Uh, the mathematics is proposed measurement of omnibus motion. Parameters such as the speed, direction, and position can be done using tensors. Real mathematical modeling of this motion can be initially designed by applying curtain control methods. Uh, the last chapter is robot control robot. Uh, the science, Newton laws governing force and motion of objects are important for optimizing the efficiency of robots mentioned by analyzing the drive, motor force, action force, and considering momentum and friction when determining speed and technology. The Bluetooth remote control application is installed on the mobile phone. The Bluetooth remote control application is installed on the mobile phone. Okay, paired with the robot via Bluetooth. Then the robot is controlled the move forward, forward, right, left, and stop other via the application button on the mobile phone. This the next engineering. This program allows where this program allows you to control the robot using commands and via Bluetooth. These commands determine the robot's direction of movement forward, forward, right, left, right, stop to physical move the robot. You need to aid the override call to control the motors in the NVI motion function selection. This is program for uh, control robots with remote control. Okay. The last is mathematics. Mathematical variables such as x and y for position, p for velocity, mathematical variables such as x and y for position. You can see this picture x and y for position, v for velocity, and 0 for direction are often implemented in robot control algorithm to represent important information required by the robot control. This okay.
Okay, that's all about the material through a PowerPoint about the output of our project, data modules that discuss about the Robot 3 Omniwheels. And I'm Emmanuel Ginting.
I'm Andre Putra.
We want to say goodbye and
See you next project.